Friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of privacy on the application of Threads with settings. Here we click on Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. Then we'll search about the application of Threads and we click here. In this window of app and file we go to first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching.